Hi everyone. In this video, we will be talking about 5 Gmail tricks that can be extremely helpful for someone who is having a Gmail account. Let's get started. Trick number 1. Undo sending emails. Sometimes you compose an email and send it, and then you realize that you made a mistake. You either incorrectly addressed the recipient or you missed some important information. By the time you notice it, your email is already sent and you start panicking. Well, not anymore. Gmail has a feature to recall a sent message within up to 30 seconds after you have sent it. To configure this, go to Gmail and click on gear icon in the top right corner and then click on See All Settings. Now, look for Undo Send and then select a cancellation period from the drop-down. Once you're done, scroll down until you see a Save Changes button. Click on that button to save all changes. Trick number 2. Schedule an email. Let's say that you have to send an email at 9 p.m. but because of some reason you have to go out at 7 p.m. and you are not available, or you have to send an important update next week but you're going on a vacation and you won't be having any access to your emails. Well, you can use this trick in Gmail and decide exactly when an email gets sent. While composing an email, click the drop down arrow at the right of the send button. Then click Schedule Send. You can either select the presets or you can select exact date and time you want the email to be sent. Click on Schedule Send. You can then see a notification that email is scheduled. You can view the scheduled messages and cancel it if you change your mind. At a time, you can have 100 scheduled emails, but remember that your emails will be sent in the time zone you scheduled them in. Trick number 3. Smart Compose. This feature of Gmail can help you finishing your sentences so that you can write your emails faster. Gmail's Smart Compose feature is powered by artificial intelligence, which guesses what you're trying to type. While writing an email, notice how Smart Compose is providing suggestions in gray color. When you see a suggestion that you like, just press the tab button to use it. Because it operates in background, you can write an email like you normally would, and Smart Compose feature will offer suggestions as you type. It automatically offers you suggestions based on your writing style. Smart Compose feature is available in English, French, Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese. To turn Smart Compose on or off, click on the gear icon and then click on See All Settings. Under General, scroll down to Smart Compose. Then you can select Writing Suggestions On to enable this feature. Turn on Smart Compose Personalization to get the personalized suggestions based on your writing style. Trick number 4. Confidential mode. Sometimes you have to send sensitive information over the email, like credit card number, which is risky. Using confidential mode, you can decide an expiration date of the message you are sending. And once the time is over, the email will self-destruct. Confidential emails cannot be forwarded, copied, printed, or downloaded. While composing a confidential email, you can try confidential mode. At the bottom of the window, click Turn on Confidential Mode. Set an expiration date and passcode. These settings impact both the message text and any attachment. If you choose no SMS passcode, the recipient using the Gmail app will be able to open it directly. Recipients who don't use Gmail will get an email with a passcode. If you choose SMS passcode, recipients will get a passcode by text message. Then click on Save. Gmail will show you an information bar with the expiration date. If needed, you can edit the expiration time and save it again. Remember that confidential mode doesn't prevent the recipient from taking a screenshot or a photo of the email that you have sent. Trick number 5. Finding out important emails. Let's say that you're looking for flight and hotel reservations you have made this month, or you're looking for the purchase history of all the purchases you have made this month. you can use this feature in that case. To find all your reservations, type category:reservations in the search bar at the top. And to check the purchases you have made, just type category:purchases. Gmail keeps a track of all your reservations and subscription, even if they are expired. Hit that like button if you like this video, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to the channel right now if you haven't done that yet. See you in another video. Till then, stay safe. Thanks for watching.